there's multiple careers such as avionics, electrical and environmental systems, fuels technicians, hydraulic technicians, crew chiefs, aerospace propulsion technicians, and many more.
As a dedicated crew chief, I actually will get assigned to a certain aircraft, and my name will be on that aircraft. As for other AFSCs, they only work on certain aspects of the aircraft, but a crew chief works with the entire aircraft.
The main job of a crew chief is to make sure that the maintenance of the jet is taken care of. Being a crew chief impacts the overall Air Force mission because we are directly involved in helping and making sure that the jets can fly, and we are in direct contact with all the resources needed so that we can ensure maintenance is correctly done and done according to what the standards of the Air Force requires.
My specialty is ACSM, aircraft structural maintenance. I basically work with the skin of the aircraft. You're remaking metal, you're forming metal, you're making composite repairs, working with carbon fiber, fiberglass, and that's different from every other career field because I'm making something.
My career field, we are aerospace ground equipment. We don't really work on aircraft. We supply the support equipment that supports the flight line operation for the aircraft.
You work on different systems such as hydraulics, pneumatics, small jet engines, diesel engines, power systems, software, air conditioning, large HVAC systems, little HVAC systems, lights, heating sources. If you name it and it's got a mechanical backing to it, we're going to try and fix it. So there's three main facets to the career field. You're either in inspections, maintenance, or dispatch. And if you're a dispatch driver, your main goal is to deliver and sustain equipment that is out there with the aircraft. 24/7, you will be on that line. If those airplanes are out there, you will be out there. Fueling, making sure that the oil is adequate, making sure that they're hooked up to the aircraft properly. If you work inspections, you will mainly be inside because at that point you'll need a lift or a lot of shop equipment. If you work maintenance, you could work either inside or outside. It depends on where it breaks.
Electrical environmental systems is different from other AFSCs because we can work on any jet. It involves a lot more troubleshooting than other career fields. Our systems bleed into every other systems because anything with a wire, you are essentially responsible for. Then on top of that, we have the environmental side, which is pretty much, in layman's terms, we keep the pilot comfy.
Aircraft armament systems specialist. It is a basic of putting munitions on aircraft. You can be back shop, which is the primary maintenance side of aircraft armament, where you work on specific release mechanisms, bomb racks that go on the aircraft, the gun systems, while the flight line portion, they do the loading. They check to ensure that munition systems are operational. If they're not, they will take them off the aircraft and deliver it to back shop.
My AFSC is avionics technician, and it is different from other specialties because it requires a lot of knowledge and theory of electronics, and that's something most other maintainer jobs do not have. They don't have to go through the schematics and figure out theory to find out why something is not working properly.